Mark, thanks very much for sparing some time to talk to us. How have you found day one of the Global Offshore Wind?
Yeah, it's been very positive. Fantastic to see, old suppliers, new suppliers. We've got a good range of clients here, different type of contractors. So overall, really positive. This is ROVOP's first exhibition post-COVID. So real important milestone for us, and we're glad to be here.
And in terms of how you're looking to influence the space, talk to us a little bit about that.
Yeah, so I suppose, as you can see, this business was founded in offshore wind, and that gives us significant experience around a lot of these projects. So a lot of our offshore crews have experienced, high current conditions, significant weather, low visibility, and I think that experience has given us, significant advantage for the wind farms of the future.
Talk to us a little bit about the capability of the fleet that you have.
Yeah, so it's quite a wide range of system type. We've got 45 ROV systems, and again, quite a wide range from small observation grade vehicles, from things like a Tiger, really suited for visual operations, all the way through to 250 horsepower work class, suitable for construction type activity, and different manufacturers, and that's quite a crucial thing. So we don't just have the same type of system, different manufacturers, meaning we can use the right systems for the right applications.
And in terms of live projects just now, both here in the UK and globally, whereabouts are you focusing?
Yeah, very busy. Right now here in the UK, we're working on Dogger Bank, we're working on Sea Green as an example of two projects. We're also very busy out in the Asia Pacific region, currently working in and on Taiwanese wind projects, also in Japan and the Philippines. So quite global, good spread of projects, very busy in Asia Pacific and Middle East in particular.
Sounds like it's all going well. And finally, kind of future plans over the next kind of 2 to 3 years?
Yeah, so just to, I suppose, continue to deliver excellent ROV projects. The market is obviously moving in multiple different directions between autonomy, remote services, electric. We're staying very close to a lot of those developments. Recently delivered a remote inspection project. So continuing to look at how we can remove people from the offshore environment, putting them in the onshore environment, reducing cost, logistics and HSE exposure.
Thanks very much for talking to us, and enjoy the rest of the day.
Thanks.